Green lights, green flags. Let's see what Matt does.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Way past that 300-foot mark. 3:36.71. You know, Matt's going to go home be happy with that fool. Here he comes by, Matt Heidemann, give him a wave. Woo! All right, now we're going to make a little noise. As you hear back there in the pits, we got one of them fired up. Pro Stock 4x4 class. First out, Greg Dardanus in the hog. It's a 1966
Now that's a truck.
GMC. Dardanus Tree Service and CarQuest and Brush, a couple of his sponsors. As you see, this class, they run a DOT type tire on these tires. 6,200 pounds is what they have to weigh when they go across the scales with the driver. $485 cubic inches is what they are allowed. Greg is a past champion with the NSPA in this class. He's got a few years under his belt. Green lights, green flags. Let's see what Greg does. That's a good pull for Greg. If you notice, down here on the start end, that back end was kind of bouncing a little bit. $287.39.
Light years are, wow. Oh my God.
And like we were talking about, since he was first in class, he has the option and he's going to drop. He thinks he can do better. He's going to do it again.